So how do we start this other than sorry for the shitty audio? That thing right there just fell off from here. Why? Because I used shitty fastener apparently. This was a long time ago installation. And I had the good idea to put all my cases up there. And I was right here when it fell off, so it hit my head and a piece of my hand. I got it somewhere here. In case you're wondering, I don't feel much pain at all. I'm more scared than anything. God damn, that was quite scary. We'll see tomorrow morning how I feel, and yeah. I really don't know what to say. So now, let's see how durable cases are when they fall in the boxes. We have a dual tempered glass one that I think is broken. This should be completely fine. This one was out of the box. I got it. Yeah, you can see it's quite wobbly. Fortunately, this one wasn't up there. I still have to open it and review it. And this one, I did just put inside a complete system inside of here. Oh boy. Let's hope for the best. This was empty. And this one was already broken. I just wanted to fix this, so yeah. First I'll fix this thing and then we'll see inside the boxes. So now it's the next day of the accident. As you can see, this just came off of the wall like nothing. The other one down there just break off. My hand is completely fine. My head too. So now we have two options, or maybe three. Just put it back on like nothing happened. Do a better job or give up. And already you can tell what I'm going to choose. Already. Then when I think about stuff, I'm better at saying things. You can guess what I'm going to do. I'm going to rip all off and do it better than ever. So we are upgrading from two of these, which one of these broke, to 9 of these. 9 because I'm adding another bracket too. Yeah, this should be okay. Installation of new brackets complete. Shelves are on top. Let's take a look at this Lian Li case that was outside of the box. The window mold is broken in the bottom, the panel is loose, and the panel on the other side is sticking out. The front and back are fine. Let's try and remove the panels. See how broken it is. And this one is only bent on the upper corner. It still closes fine. I was able to fix the window with a couple of washers, but look at this bend. This is preventing the panel to close properly. I don't know how to fix this quickly, so I'm going to leave it for now. The big one was already broken since it is my plan to restore it. Damn, look how hard bent these screws. I guess it's just more work to do. The Cooler Master box. How many masters are in this phrase anyway? 500L with acrylic panels. 0 damage. Good packaging or just luck? And now a dual TG case. I did drop this case in the past, so it's already broken. Let's just hope it's not more broken. See, this is where it broke last time. No more damage. Cougar box is solid, not like its case bottom fit though. Up until now they were all empty cases, but now this one has a full system built inside. We can already see more damage on the outside of the box, since this is more heavy than an empty case. The protective foam is broken. Let's take it out and... not good. Look at this. The standoffs that hold the glass are slightly bent, and it's a miracle the glass didn't shatter. The GPU fell off and bent the case. This is a very strong GPU. Look at the backplane. Is it even called backplane? Hopefully it still works. Okay, I was able to put everything back inside. Time to see if it boots. There's light, and it works! All is good except for a couple of things. The PSU shroud I made for the Matrix 55 is completely bent. And my Ninja Free cooler got another beating. I've already dropped this once or twice in the past, and now it got crushed too since I had this on the table. So what did I learn from this? 1. Use strong fasteners. 2. Lian Li cases are damn sturdy. 3. Cases boxes are usually good. 4. Don't drop your case with your full system in it. But I guess this was a given though. And 5. Let me know in the comments if you learned something too. Thanks for watching, and now I'll leave you with a bit of vlog of the rebuild of my shop. Ciao! So we did good progress today. It's looking very clean. A little more space up top there. It's looking quite professional, yeah. Hopefully this time never falls down. I've decided to add a couple of pieces of wood to prevent from bowing of the shelf. And as you can see, the corner piece has been installed. And there in the empty space I'm going to put the monitor so that I can have a monitor on the desk. I'm still missing a shelf, and then it's pretty much done. And then I need to make LED panels. Previously I had this huge LED cover. Pretty much this was the LED array, and it's kind of pain in the ass to work with this thing, so I'm going to build a couple of small LED panels to put there. That makes my life easier, I guess. Here I'm wiring the LED panels. They are very simple. A sheet of aluminum with a wooden frame and acrylic on top. Since I had to read all of this, I decided to add new LED. These are the new 2835 that should be better than good old 5050. When you solder off these stripes, make sure to wire them in parallel, so that you'll get even brightness. Of course, there is an RGB strip in here too. While testing, I noticed that there was a short somewhere, but oddly the ends of the strips are making contact with the aluminum base. Very weird, but once corrected here, it works. Time to install everything. Yeah, boy. I hope you did enjoy the vlog part 2, so thanks for watching again. Ciao.